cakes have been favored by kings and peasants since the 17th century and were made famous by the French philosopher Marcel Proust in the early 1920s. These buttery-like cakes from France are a French staple and can be found everywhere, from French pâtisserie and Madeleine specialty shops to cafes, supermarkets, and restaurants. The global commercialization of Madeleines has spawned a mass production, and they can now be found at your local supermarket, Starbucks, and even Costco. In France, Madeleines are devoured typically during goûter, which is equivalent to British afternoon tea. There is a ritual and even an etiquette to consuming the madeleine. To be truly appreciated, the madeleine must be dipped in tea, preferably tilleul, a tea blend from the lime blossom tree. The madeleine, which oftentimes is prepared with the zest of a lemon and its juice, marries beautifully with a slightly lime-flavored tea. Coffee is not the same. You can easily spot madeleines by their characteristic shell-like shape, acquired from being baked in shell-like tins. Legend has it that they originated from Commercy, a French town based in northeastern France in the Lorraine region. So how did this small cake come into being? Unfortunately, the history of the Madeleine is slightly clouded, and numerous stories exist as to how the humble Madeleine found its place in the world. The town of Commercy promotes this story of the origination of the Madeleine. Came a young maid, her hands still covered with flour.
What do you call this masterpiece?
It doesn't have a name, sire. We make them at home in Commercy on feast days.
And what's your name?
Madeleine.
Well then, it will be called after you. It will be a Madeleine from Commercy.
King Louis XV also made Madeleines famous at Versailles. As the story goes, King Louis XV tasted madeleines while visiting the Lorraine region of France. The king and his wife Maria liked them so much that his wife Maria introduced madeleines to the French court. The origin of the madeleine also lies with pastry chef Jean Ravis. Jean Ravis is considered the master of choux pastry and was the pastry chef for Prince Talleyrand. Legend has it that Jean Ravis was the inventor of the Madeleine in the 19th century. Literary author Marcel Proust told a different version of the story. He said that Madeleines dated back to the Middle Ages and were first invented at Illiers-Combray. Here, Proust spent many years of his childhood where his aunt resided. Illiers-Combray is and was one of the pilgrimage routes through France to Santiago de Compostela in Spain. During the Middle Ages, on this route, pilgrims would wear a shell as a distinctive emblem. It was only natural that these cakes with their shell-like shape were sold to the pilgrims. Today, there are many variations of Madeleine recipes. I will be making a variation of Madeleines from Commercy by Chef Alain Ducasse. Baking times may vary depending on your oven. The signature characteristic of a madeleine is the elusive hump. The hump is formed when the batter is chilled prior to baking. The temperature difference between the oven and the batter creates a burst of steam that results in this hump. In French, it is called la bosse. And there you have it, the history of madeleines and how to make them. Just be sure to have a cup of hot tea at your disposal to truly and properly enjoy the most famous cake from France.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.